So this video is going to be just a little bit different for me. This is a thank you to the how-to YouTubers out there that have saved me so much money and so much time over the years. This video is for you. And today we are here in my washroom. As you can see, it's a mess, but so this dryer right here stopped working. Well, it stopped turning. The heat came on, everything came on. What did I do? Of course, I went to YouTube and I think I found the solution. So it turns out that the drum's not moving because the belt on the drum is not moving because this part right here was broken. I've already saved you the time. I've taken this part out. I found out that that was indeed the part. I ordered the part, and thanks to Amazon Prime, I have that part right here. And today I'm going to install it. This is not a how-to video at all. If you're here to learn how to do this, I mean, you might learn a thing or two. I don't know. This is probably going to take me way too long. It always, the people on YouTube seem to do this so much faster than I've ever been able to do this. But so anyway, I've got the parts right here. I've got everything I need. The drill. I've got cameras set up all over the place. We'll see how that goes. The batteries will probably run dead before I'm done here. But I'm going to have to get behind this machine down and dirty, and let's get to it. All right, so I've made it behind the dryer now. I have cameras set up all over this place. I don't know what I'm doing here. I have a camera inside here, and hopefully that's going to continue to work. I don't know. I haven't used it in a while, but so I've got the part off. I need to put this part on. And again, I just want to thank all the how-to people out there. They really have done a great service to people like me that aren't mechanically inclined. I mean, not just people, the fix-it people, but the artists out there, the golf instructors out there. I think that's what makes YouTube great. One of the things that makes YouTube great. And so that's what we're going to talk about today. And like I said, a little bit different today. It's not showing my bald head up there, is it? Okay. So this part goes in here. Like I said, there's a belt that goes around the drum of the dryer. I've got a cat out there playing in the hallway, and she may make an appearance later. This screw will go in here, so let's see what we can let's see what happens. Oh, and this is not a great fit for me. And the cat litter box is right over there, and I need to change it very soon. Okay, so this part should be simple enough right here. They don't make things for big people like me. So this little, find out where the hole is. Boom, already got it in there. Okay, I like what I'm seeing so far. A couple things I got to do here first, though. First, I got to screw this, tighten this part up right here. That was much easier than I thought, but there's another little thing in there I got to fix. So hang on.
Hello, this is your narrator, Benjamin. As it turns out, what Alan thought was going to be a quick fix actually took him a lot longer than he anticipated. And in order to keep any more of you from bailing on this video, we are going to fast forward ahead quite a bit.
If you look right down here, there is a spring, and the spring needs to get connected to the bottom of the idler pulley right where my middle finger is touching. So,
hello, it's Benjamin again. After watching the how-to video a few more times, Alan was able to finally complete his mission of fixing his dryer. And while you can't tell by the look on his face, Alan was very happy with the outcome.
Whoa, that was not as easy as I thought it would be. But again, this was not a how to do this video for you. This was a thank you for the how-to YouTubers out there, the guys and the gals that make this look so easy. But actually, because of videos like this on YouTube, I was able to save a ton of money. This part that, I don't know where the other part is, but the part only cost me $9, I think it was. Ordered it from Amazon, got here the next day, and I believe I got it attached now. I still have to put the exhaust on here and all that, but it looks like everything should be good to go. Again, this was not a how-to from me, but a thank you to all the how-to YouTubers out there. Thank you so much for all that you do, and that's going to do it. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was not as easy as I thought, and it was pretty time consuming because some of the camera on the inside died, and my camera up there died. It was just because it took so long. It actually took me longer than I thought it would, but there you go. That's part of being a YouTuber, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. I did it. Yes. Finally. It's working.